Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to share this dress that I recently purchased with you. It is a FENSACE dress. I really hope I'm pronouncing that the right way. I was Googling floral dresses online and this was one of the ones that came up that I really liked. This and another one, which I'll do another video on. I just thought this was so pretty. Girly, very like almost flirty and fun, but could also be casual or dressed up. So I really just liked everything about it and I ordered it. So I just want to show you guys a little bit more of a close-up. So it's FENSACE is the brand. It is a floral dress. Here's the tag. So it is 100% polyester and made in China. So I did see that it was made in China and that made me think, oh gosh, it might be small, because sometimes, you know, brands that are from China tend to run a little bit on the smaller side. This is actually the opposite. I got this and it runs on the larger side. I am a size medium usually, so I did order the medium, and it, like in this area, it's like flowy. It sort of goes out and it's a little bit large here. Like there's almost a little bit too much room right in this area. Like I had extra room like under my armpit and stuff, so it's a little bit too big, but it wasn't to the point where I was like, oh, I'm going to return it because it's too big. Because then I'm like, if I buy a small, the small might be actually like too small for me. I'm like, let me just stick with the medium. I'll have some extra room. That's fine. So I really like the print on it. I just think it's so pretty. Like the color, it's like a coral pink flower with some gray and black. It almost looks like a watercolor design if you see on here. So I just fell in love with it. I'm like, this is so pretty. I love it. One thing that concerned me a little bit is it is rather thin. Like it's like a stretchy material, which is great, but it's a little thin to the point where you do have to wear a white bra with it, because you would be able to see, like if you wore a black bra with it or a colored bra, you'd be able to see it through the dress. Like at least white would disguise it, or even like a nude tan bra that would disguise it a little bit. So you guys could see, it's not super thin material, but you know, you could see my fingers through it and the color of my fingers through it. That was a little concerning to me, but I ended up just wearing a white bra with it and that was totally fine. I think you'd be good with a tan bra as well. So another thing I really like about this dress is it's like long enough to be conservative, but not too conservative. It comes a little bit above my knee, which is great. And then you don't have to worry about your bra straps showing either, because that totally gets covered by these straps. They're thick enough to where they'll hide the bra strap, so you don't have to worry about, oh, I need to wear cups or a strapless bra. You don't have to worry about any of that. The material is great. I think it's a hand wash process to clean it. Let's take a look on the back here. You guys could see. Gentle wash, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, cold iron. Okay, so I'm glad that I read this, because there's so many times I've accidentally used a really hot iron and ruined clothing, which is just a stupid mistake on my part. But like sometimes I look at the material and be like, oh, I can iron this, no problem. No, this is cold iron, so I'm sure if you use an iron that's too hot, it might really ruin the fabric. So gentle wash, do not bleach, do not tumble dry. So I haven't washed it yet. Yeah, I would just put it on the gentle cycle in my washing machine and make sure it gets washed that way. I know that for me, when I wear white, I tend to spill on it and make a little bit of a mess. So I always carry like a Tide pen around with me. If you guys haven't used that, it's literally a miracle. Like if you get a little stain, say like right here, and you just blot a little bit of the Tide pen on there and then rub it, it literally will come right out. It's the best thing ever. So I would definitely, I would definitely make sure I have one of the Tide pens with me when wearing this, so I could just, God forbid, I drop like food or something on me, I could take the stain out right away. So it's also smooth. Like the fabric's kind of smooth. Like it doesn't make that zipping sound when you when you press your nails on it. So it has a very smooth, comfortable material, which is great because it's been so hot here lately. in New York. It's just been like a heat wave, and I don't want to wear any material that's hot and, you know, going to make me uncomfortable or sweat or anything like that. So this material doesn't stick to you. You know, sometimes you'll wear a material and it's clinging to you because you're hot. That does not do this at all. It's just light, it's super comfortable, it's stretchy. I just think everything is great about this dress, except for the fact that it's a little bit too big and it's a little see-through. That's really my only gripe. Other than that, it's just perfect for so many different occasions. I'm so happy that I purchased this because not only will I wear it to my friend's shower, but I'm going on a cruise next month, and I think I might bring it for that because this would be cute to wear to dinner or something. I could just dress it up with some heels, but it would also look really cute with some flats. Let me turn it around also so you could see the back of the dress as well. So here is the back of the dress, so you could see it's like a scoop neck, but it doesn't go down too low, which is also really nice. So of course, if you're wearing a bra, it will not show. You'll just, you know, it'll go down to about here, that area. Very pretty on the back too. I just love print on here. I just think it's so pretty. Really nice, a little bit flowy. I think even if you're pregnant, you could actually wear this. Like, a lot of my friends are, you know, purchasing flowy dresses instead of just all maternity, which I think is really great. This would be good also for that. So it's just overall cute, classy, fun, girly. I would definitely recommend it. So the brand again is FENSACE. So I found it online randomly when I was Googling floral dresses, and I'm so happy I came upon this because I'm very happy with the dress, and I will definitely be ordering more clothing from them. I'll just keep in mind that their clothing runs, you know, a little bit on the large side. So just make sure if you're ordering, maybe you could even order a size down. I think next time I might actually try a small and see how that goes. Hopefully it won't be too small on me, but overall, just a really great dress. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.